Hello, students. Welcome to class. I'm going to be solving some selected questions under differential calculus to solve for you. And these questions are JAM questions. So, specifically for those students that are writing JAM UTME 2026. So, let's start with the solutions. Now, for the first question, we have to find the derivative of y is equals to x raised to power 7 minus x raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 4. Now, there are things that you could do here. Let me just mention a few. You can actually use the quotient rule to do this, but this is very simple, so we don't really need to go to that quotient rule side. So why not, let's have it as y is equals to x raised to power 7 all over x raised to power 4, then minus x raised to power 5 all over x raised to power 4. Now, if you do it this way, then y will now be equals to x raised to power 3 minus x. Okay, this is as simple as it could be. Now, once you have question like this, it becomes very simple. So your dy by dx will now be equals to, let me remind those of you that have forgotten. Now, if I have y is equals to x raised to power n, so dy by dx is actually n x raised to power n minus 1. So with that knowledge, the first one is going to be 3, then x raised to power 3 minus 1, then minus, we have x raised to power 1 minus 1. Okay, you can do it this way, which your answer now will now be equals to 3, then x squared, then minus x raised to power 0. Okay, this, if you do this is going to be x raised to power 0, which is equals to 1. So this is what you're going to get as your answer. And if you check, I think that should be C. Then let's move to do the next question. Now, if you check question 4 and question 13, these two questions are very similar, like very, very similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work them. I will use a different method for the first one, then use a different method for the second one. And you see how simple it could be. All right. So solution. Now we have y is equals to 2x plus 1 all raised to power 3. Now, in this, all you need to do is that you should know that is a problem of function of function. So you just say let u be equals to 2x plus 1. So that y will now be equals to u raised to power 3. So what you have to do is to find dy by du, that is differentiate y with respect to u. So if you are differentiating this, it's going to be 3u squared. I think I've shown you how to differentiate from the first question. Then you have to differentiate u, so du by dx. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, this is what I want to differentiate now. Now, if I'm going to differentiate it, I'm going to have just 2. Okay, but remember, all we need is dy by dx. That is what we need. So my dy by dx is actually gotten by saying dy by du times du by dx. So therefore, dy by dx becomes 3u raised to power 2 times 2, which is going to be 6u squared. So my dy by du is equals to 6u squared. And of course, we know what u is because they didn't give us u, we actually introduced u. So we have to change u. So it's going to be 6 into, we know that u is 2x plus 1, then all squared. Now, if you check, the answer is D. Okay. But you see, this is a very long process, like very long. You can do it very simple. All right. Now, I'm going to work number 13, a different method. Then I will challenge you to come back to number 4, then solve with the method that I'm going to use in number 13. And be happy with yourselves. Okay? Good. Number 13 now, solution. Remember, I said I'm going to use a very simple method. So once I finish, then you go back to the number that I just finished now to solve it this method, and you appreciate it. So we have y is equals to 5x plus 1 all raised to power 4. So in doing this, what you should do is that you are going to see this, okay, as just one thing. Now, if you see it as one thing meaning that, you remember I say if you have x raised to power y equals to x raised to power n, then dy by dx is actually n x raised to power n minus 1. So you look at this as one thing. So if I'm going to find the dy by dx straight, what I'm going to have now is that this 4 will be down, okay, just like this n came down to this place, all right? So you're going to have 5x plus 1 all raised to power 4 minus 1. The only difference now is that in this case, you're not going to leave it. You multiply. This dot means multiplication. Multiply by the differential of what is here. And the differential of what is there is 5. So times 5. So at the end of the day, you can see that my dy by dx is equals to 5 times 4 is 20. Then this is going to be 5x plus 1 all raised to power 4. That is all. And you can see the answer. This is 4 minus 1, so it's going to be 3. Okay, sorry for that. It's going to be raised to power 3. All right, so you could see that the first one, A. So this is the answer. Okay, now this method is very nice, especially for those of you that are writing JAM, because we are not going to look at your working, we just want to see the answer, right? So by the time you do it, you do this, then you come back and solve this question like this. The same way I did this question 13, and you see how simple it could be. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to follow me, okay? Good.